In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to delete part of video in a CapCut on a PC and laptop and how we can do this. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to go over here to the CapCut. And once you get into the CapCut, this is what we have to do. So the first thing is all about we have to move the playhead here like this, or find the region where you want to trim the video. So over here, as you can see, this is a single video. So if we wanted to trim it or cut a part, this is what I need to do. First, you have to move the playhead where you wanted to trim it, or you have to cut it. And right now, I'm just going to keep over here and keep it over here like this. Once you keep the playhead, you have to go over here, click on the split. So right now, a cut is made here. Now what you need to do is we have to move this particular one. You have to keep just moving this over here like this, keep moving over here like this, and keep it till where you wanted to do it. And then once you're done, you have to put it once again the split, so this particular part of video is completely cut. And right now, if I wanted to remove it or delete it, what I need to do is once the video or the part you select over here like this, then you have to use the backspace key, so it is completely done and it's removed. And this is how we can do this. And these are the way on how we can do this, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye.